How to change leverage on Medatiq Markets. Let's get started. Once you log in, your trading accounts will be displayed on the screen. On the right side of the account, click on the three-dot menu to view additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Change Leverage. A new account settings window will open. Here, you can see your account details, including your account name and account type. In the leverage field, select the leverage ratio that best suits your trading strategy. For example, you can choose options such as 1 to 500, 1 to 1000 or 1 to 2000, depending on the available settings. Please note that higher leverage can increase both potential profits and potential losses, so make sure you understand the risks before making any changes. Once you have selected your preferred leverage, simply click on the Update Settings button. Your leverage settings will be updated successfully. And that's it, a quick guide on changing leverage on Medatiq Markets. Thanks for watching.